video. Today I'm obviously gonna open Minecraft. Yeah, gonna make a new world. I'm gonna name it My Amazing My Amazing Planet. Creative, and it's gonna be flat. Let's do this. Alright, this is a really flat place, so I've got to do lots of stuff. Well, first of all, I'd like to do a garden. So I need the garden stuff. Gonna get this one, and this one. Some flowers. This one. Last one is the blue one. Alright. I'm gonna just like fly, so it makes it easier for me. Just gonna make it like that. And yeah, now I'm gonna go to the red flower. And now I'm gonna put these white tulips around. Maybe it'll be enough space. Oh, man, I was putting purple flowers. Well, it's okay. Now I'm gonna put some of these flowers. These are nice. Now again, it should be different kind of flowers. Let's put now the blue flowers. Keep on getting mixed up. Alright. Now I'm gonna be going with this, with the peony, which is a big flowers. So just gonna put it around. This is just like a small garden. And the last thing is sunflowers. And yeah, I think that's a good garden. Alright. Now I'm gonna do a small house. Just a small. I'm gonna just make it out of two colors, which are these. Because this is just a start. Just gonna be like a small one. So let me do that with the corner from here. One more here. So I'm gonna put the doors here. So I'm gonna just get the doors now. This looks like a nice door. Oh my god. Gotta put good like that. Put that back. And here. So yeah. Another really top, I'm gonna just put glass. Where is this glass here? I'm gonna continue with glass. Up. Oh. Ah. And here. Gonna put it above even. Alright. Now, let me go just to maybe a small food farm. Like mushrooms and stuff like that. I think I saw it somewhere. First I'm gonna get mushroom and another mushroom. And alright, first I'm gonna do these two. Why is it working? Well, looks like I can't do it. So yeah, I think that's all for my video. And please like and subscribe for it. And if you have any suggestions, please put it down in the comments to help me support my channel. And if you want to know more about this video and what's gonna happen next, please come out next week. I'm gonna do what's gonna happen next. Alright, bye. See you next week.